Hello guys and girls, welcome once again to Forex Corp House. Today I am going to show you one of the best trades taken on this month with my students and those many of you who are in my Signal group, whom both had a privilege of enjoying this Volatility 75 index with me in this month. And as you can see, it is a real account. I was able to test my patience with one of my small accounts, and I was able, as you can see, to scale this $130 account up to $658, and that is more than doubling of an account, as it is almost 5 times of the initial balance. Some people with little knowledge or ego may say or argue that I was only able to do this because I used massive lot sizes and that I was probably gambling. Well, to clear that out, with VIX 75 index, a lot of 0.001 is the very least lot size that even a person with a $5 account can trade with. Now on this video, I'm going to share with you some tricks or techniques that I used that made me capture this massive trade opportunity that I believe it will also help you in one way or another in the future. But before I do that, please know that this video has been sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central offers a suite of financial products including funding, spot cryptocurrency exchanging, and liquidity services. You can join with Trader Central through the link in the description below and enjoy these massive benefits that come with Trader Central. Guys and girls, I hope that you have gotten your pen and notebook ready for this price action pure tutorial. Now the day starts by knowing the overall market bias. You have to know the overall market bias before trading any pair, and the proper way to do that is by going to the higher time frame, which for this case will be the daily time frame, as it is on this time frame where the info is clearly visible, taken into consideration that my phone screen, it is not too large for me to see everything on the lower time frames. Now on the daily time frame, I'm sure we can both agree that the market bias is on a downtrend, as the arrow clearly points to the downside direction. So tell me one thing, what to do on a downtrend? What should we do on a downtrend? Now here is where I will give you two options. First, and the most common and logical one, is to look for trend continuation signals and take sell entries. This is one of the best correct answers on a downtrend market. The second one that I would only recommend to be used by intermediate traders is to look for trend reversal signals. And that's where I'm going to discuss with you here today on how to trade reversals. Now I'm going to slow down because here's where the real meat is. Now the first step is you have to note that we were on a daily support level. A keyword, daily support level. That's a keyword that should note. Now I'm sure you clearly know that on a support, the market often has a potential of bouncing back or can break through the support level. So literally, when the market price is on a support level, has got those two options. Knowing that the market has a probability of bouncing back on a support, will you take sell entries? Probably not, right? Knowing this, we are forced to go to the lower time frame, which for this case will be the 4-hour time frame, so that we get that hidden information from the market by knowing or by seeing what the market is telling us through the candlesticks that are forming on the support level. Let me zoom in just a little bit. I'm sure you can see that on a daily support we have a doji candlestick, and I'm very sure that you know what a doji candlestick is, since there are countless of free forex PDFs all over the internet nowadays. For those that do not know what a doji candlestick is, let me help you. A doji candlestick is one of the most powerful trend reversal candlesticks. Now the formation of doji candlesticks on this level carries a very high significance to our entry conferences. Why? I'll give you around 3 reasons as why this formation of a doji candlestick carries a high level of significance on our conferences for this entry reversal trade. First is because we actually have a trend to reverse, meaning that we do not trade candlesticks such as doji whereas the market is not going anywhere, meaning that it is just ranging or just moving sideways. Secondly, we are on a high level daily support zone. Thirdly, we have the most important and powerful reversal candlestick on that zone. So we have literally 3 reasons as why we should take reversal on this trend, and we can happily say that the downtrend market of VIX 75 is finally coming to an end. Knowing all of these 3 factors, we are very enough for I to enter into this trade after defining the risk and being comfortable with it. Now let me show you this one thing before I forget. I'm going to show you on the best way to use on how to lock your profits so that you can ride your trends to the maximum, so that you can get maximum profits out of any winner given good trade that you'll be taking. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I'm sure what you are seeing right now is just one straight bullish momentum candlestick, right? And you can say, now how can I lock profits on such kind of with such kind of momentum? But if you go to the lower time frame, this what you are seeing as one straight bullish momentum candlestick will be seen as an uptrend of higher highs and higher lows. If you want me to prove this, then let's go now to the 50-minute chart so that you can see what I'm talking about when I say what I've just said. And on the 50-minute charts, you can see clearly the way I lock my profits. And the way I lock my profits is by moving my stop on the previous higher lows, as you can see. And that's the only way that I get to ride these trends for a long time. Now this technique has been very good to me, but I have to tell you one of the drawbacks if you are to use these techniques on riding your trends. And the first drawback, and the most common one that will affect your psychology 100%, I'm sure of it, is you will have to see or to experience very deep pullbacks, meaning you will have to see your profits decrease massively before going to the initial direction of the trends. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join my mentorship class where you'll be getting a special chance of being coached personally by me through a Zoom meeting app for a period of a whole month, or just signal services, please do check the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do me this one favor, don't forget to hit that like button, then afterwards click that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn the notification bell icon on so that you'll be the first to view any of my future uploads, as I will be dropping best trades taken at least twice or once a week. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.